I open the report. So this is the report I have. Is coming with. Now my requirement is to make this report as a dashboard. So how to create a report as a dashboard? So if you want to convert your report as a dashboard, you have to just click on this button. What is written here?
In the live page.
Make it live. I just click onto that. So this is a dashboard. Do you want to create an existing or new? I say I want to create a new. I create a then dashboard. Pin to live. So my new dashboard will be created with this. Pin to live. So you want a phone view or you want a dashboard view? Let's suppose I want a phone view. So I can check in a phone version. It is visible like this.
Nice.
And click onto the web view. It will come like this. Now this is my dashboard. So I can share this dashboard with my colleagues. And it is a dynamic one. I can take anything. You can see that month-wise I am checking. So there is no slicer required. Automatically it will come with the slicers.
Nice.
Fine. Now I want to share this report with my colleagues. That is in one thing. I can click on this button. What is this? Share dashboard. I click onto the share and I can write the email ID and add it. And I'll give these permission. Allow recipient to share the dashboard. If you click on that, the recipient can share with others.
Okay.
Fine. Allow recipient to build a new content using the data set. That is up to you. Send the email notification to each employee. So this is a dashboard link. When you write an email of your, let's suppose I am writing here, JP Singh, GSTPM, I just write here. So when I say share, this will be shared automatically with that. These are the access permissions. So this is an honor, manage permission. I click on to share. So that is gone to that particular person whom I shared with. That person can view even watch this in their phone also.
Yeah.
In their mobile also if they want to see that. So I just want to move to another browser. I just try to show you how that person will receive. So I'm just saying Power BI service login. Fine. So in this, I log in with the another email ID who received this. Oh, it is already there. Fine. No. It is the same login. No. I need to sign out and then sign in with another one. Then I am able to see. So it is there. Now I just do with this another browser. Yes, now it is better. Power BI service. So here it is in another browser. I am signing in with the another browser. Now look at here. So I use another browser for login. Now I am on a different ID. So now I'll get an email request. Now what is the name of your dashboard? Yes, please look at here.
Shared with me.
So
Nice.
this is shared with me. So when I click on to this dashboard, this is your dashboard. I click on to that dashboard, cancel on it. Okay, my subscription is expired for looking at the other data, so that is the problem. Otherwise, it is shared with me. Are you
You'd be
clear
able
with
to
that?
see. Yeah, you'd be able to
My
see.
subscription is over, so we can receive that and click on that and view that dashboard
Gotcha.
easily from here. Now, this is the one thing. I hope you understand that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now, the important part here is what? If you want to edit this here, go to the workspace. You have a dashboard. Dashboard can't be edited, but report can. So when you click onto this, report will be open and you can edit this. You can click on to the edit report. When you click on to the edit report, all the tool will be open here. You can edit from here.
Nice.
So it is not required to go to Power BI every time. You can do it from here also. If you want to change something, you can click on that. Look at here, employee performance is also there. I can change that also. Sales performance, I can click. Now, now we need to create a file. Now my requirement is to convert into an PDF or in a PowerPoint or publish over the web in my internet. I want a code. So when I click on to the embedded into the SharePoint online. So if you want to embed in SharePoint, when you click here, you will get a link. Look at here this link. Copy and paste this link in SharePoint. That report will be visible there. So it creates a link for you. Then if I say I want to publish over the web, so that is an administration code, embedded code will become, and then you can, if you say I want to convert into PDF, you will get a PDF copy of that with the current values only. So I say export, that will be converted into the PDF. Look at here, it is converting into the PDF. So the PDF is not dynamic. You will get whatever there is visible, you will get in the as it is current value in a PDF, and people can work on this. So as it is a cloud based, so it takes some time also, no? So do some operation. So it is exporting your dashboard into PDF. So all these features are here. So I hope Daniel, you understand how to convert your report into dashboard.
Yeah.
You want to try with your system, you look at here, it is downloaded. When I open it, it is my PDF. It's a PDF that I can share with someone.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
So if person required an static data, so I can share that report. Similarly, just like in PDF, I can click on the PowerPoint presentation. We will get a PPT out of that.
Nice.
So this is a securely embedding code. So when you click, this is an embedded code. You copy that code and take into some. This is a frame. Look at here. This is a frame. So this frame will be added as a dashboard in your website. If you know web development, no? So
Yes,
you
I
can
do.
take this frame. Then you can take this frame and put it in your HTML code, and in that particular area, your report will be visible as a dashboard.
That's pretty cool.
You don't need to do some hard work on that. Everything is option. Every option is available here. So pin to live, these all options. These all options you can work with. If you want to share with the teams, so if you're, because Microsoft tool is a Teams, we are working on Zoom. So if you want to share with the Teams, this is a Teams is also available. When you click here, a Teams application will open and you can share this over the team.